everyone, welcome to techpex.com. So the project that we have brought here for you all today is an automatic hand sanitizer machine, or you can say an automatic liquid dispensing machine. So today we will learn how to construct this easy project, but before that we will have a look at its components. So talking about its constituents, here I have taken a bottle for containing the liquid to be dispensed. In it, a pump has been used and I have connected a pipe in the bottle so that the liquid can be dispensed. This is a microcontroller, then we have a power bank, then an output module which comprises of a buzzer that beeps every time the hand is placed in front of the reflective sensor. So here let's have a demonstration of its operation. You can see that as soon as I turned the power on, a green indicator started lighting up indicating that the controller has started. So here you can see that as soon as I bring my hands in front of the nozzle, the buzzer beeps and the liquid is dispensed on my hand. Let's have a look again. So you can see that the liquid gets dispensed instantly as soon as the reflective sensor detects the presence of hand below the nozzle. So this is how this project works. Now let's construct it. We will also learn how the connections are made. So starting with the assembly, here we have already assembled the control board over here as it can be seen. Next we have a ready to use output unit that already comprises of a buzzer and LED indicator. Further, for any modification, any output for motor can be connected here. Further is a space for power bank. Then we have this IR sensor module. It comprises of an IR reflector and a photodiode. Photodiode transmits light and IR sensor reflects light. So its sensitivity can also be adjusted. Output of the photo sensor becomes the input for the control board and the output of the control board is the output that we receive. So here we have a power bank and some connecting wires using which we will be connecting our different components. Here this bottle, it can be seen that I have cut the bottle from the bottom so that the pump can be inserted inside it. Here you can see that when I open the bottle, it's from the bottom I have stored the water inside and the pump and its wire are taken from above as can be seen in the video. So this is a pump and above it we have made hole in the lid of the bottle from which the pipe has been taken out and the pipe has been bent by heating it and the nozzle has been made using the nib of a pen. So this is how our dispenser bottle was made. It is a very simple project and it can be easily developed by school going students as well. So this is all about the components. Next we have a power bank which will be fitted here and with the help of connecting wires now we will make connections. So here first of all I have made connection of the power bank with the control board so that a power supply could be provided to our system. Next we will be making connections for the sensor. So here we are connecting it here so that the output of sensor can be given as input to the control board and this way we will make connection with this IR sensor and we'll paste it on the bottle as we have used a double side tape here. So we just pasted it simply. Next, we will be making connections with the output unit. So here you can see that on this control board, we have two amplification circuit. The one paired is used for the input and we will use second one for the output. So since we have to supply the output of this control board to the output unit, so we will connect it here. Now another pin for the power supply towards the output unit. And now the connection of output module are completed this way. So here the connections of the pump will be made with the output unit as shown in the video. Thus we are done with all the connections of our project. So now let's check again if it works. Here we turned on the power supply and you can see that the liquid is being dispensed on my hand as soon as the sensor detects the presence of hand. So this is the working of this project. If you liked it and you want to buy it, you may contact us using the link given in the description and the number on the screen. Feel free to ask any queries related to this project. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.